your mic. Please, please, please mute your mic. I am requesting again and again, please mute your mic. Listen to the leaders, because you are a leader and a good listener can be a good leader on. So try to listen the speakers. Proceeding to the next session, the session speaker will be Kiran Rathod. Kiran Rathod will be speaking on power in youth. Kiran Rathod. May I have Kiran Rathod?
Yes, I am there.
Okay. Second one is Kunal Bhushan. May I have Kunal Bhushan? Which will be speaking on role of youth in India in achieving the sustainable development goals. Can I have Kunal Bhushan? Okay, may I have Kunal Bhushan? Think he's here.
Yeah, I'm here only. Hi, Kunal Bhushan.
The third participant is Samala Fani Kumar, and the topic is where we are. Samala Fani Kumar. I think you are here.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
The fourth one is Engineer Alok Kumar. The president is as the vice president of PCS. He will say the journey. Engineer Alok Kumar. I think you are here. The fifth participant is Dr. Nayan Prakash. Dr. Nayan Prakash. And he will be sharing Kalam leadership traits for youth development. Mr. Nayan Prakash. Dr. Nayan Prakash. And the moderator will be Chand Iraqi from Nepal. Mr. Chand Iraqi, are you here?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay,
welcome
great.
to everyone.
So we'll start this session. Up to Chand. Thank you.
Thank you so much, people. How are you, people?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm very good.
I'm good. Thank you so much. Welcome to the first of all the Kalam Youth Leadership Conference 2. I am very glad for all of you to welcome in this Kalam Youth Leadership Conference International First Media. And I'd like to give thanks to everyone who are going to the participation in this biggest webinar of the International Convention. And I'm very grateful. I'm very grateful, and the topic is youth leadership. Before I starting, I would like to speak to tell the speaker you have to go to 8 minutes to every session. And there is one red, yellow, green, and red cards. After 5, the yellow, I will tell. After 5 minutes finish, I will tell you 5 minutes finish, 7 minutes finish, and 8 minutes is the red zone. I always tell you, guys. I would like to the solution. Are you there? Kiran Rathod, sir, are you there?
Yes, I am there.
Yes. Kunal Bhushanji.
Yeah, I am here only. Hi.
Okay. Just I'm presenting to everyone. Samla Fani Kumar, are you here?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Yes. Okay. Engineer Alok Kumar, are you here? Yes. Dr. Nayan Prakash, are you here?
Okay, मैं सेशन आने वाला है 5 मिनट में.
Okay. Thank you to everyone. Kiran is not maybe technical error. We take
Okay, sir. So proceed to Kunal Bhushan.
Okay. Kunal, sir?
Yeah, hi.
Kunal? Yes, you can do it, sir. Kunal, sir.
You can say.
Where is Kunal, sir?
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
I'm audible to everyone.
Yes, sir. I'm listening.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Myself, Kunal Bhushan, working in DRDO, Pune, India. I'm taking this opportunity to thank President of Foundation, Pooja, and all the delegates from around the world. I am give a special thanks to the moderator to allow me to present a topic on the role of youth in achieving the sustainable goals. As you all aware that this is Sustainable Development Goals 2030, and you all have to achieve these goals before 2030. There are 17 targets and 169 goals. Actually, the SDGs are the blueprints to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. They address the global challenges and all the inequality, climate changes, poverty reduction, environmental degradation. The 17 goals all have to achieve before 2030, and Indian youth have to play a greater role in that. Now, question arises: why the Indian youth? Now, let's have a look on that. India has a more than 50% of its population below the age of 25 and more than 65% below the age of 35. It is expected that in the 2020, it is average age of Indian will be 29 years compared to 37 for China and 48 for Japan. As you are aware that the youth has also act as a responsible Indian citizen. Youth can work as as academic, as a manager, as a civil servant, as a politician, as an entrepreneur, and as a sport person. As an entrepreneur, Indian youth as an entrepreneur should venture into the recycling revolution, taking cue from the Sweden, which recycle 99% of household waste and waste into the energy. As you know that the politicians are so powerful, so the youth have to work as a politician. Politicians should have become the influencer in the way politics is perceived in India, should ensure the effective implementation of basic government schemes like Manrega, Ujjwala, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, road safety bill to ensure proper spending of the public funds in the respective area. Young politicians have to lot of onus on them to make a differences. As a manager, youth as a manager working in the CSR function to analyze the impact of their CSR activities and what extent it to bring the changes in the society. The top 20% of Indian youth in the terms of education and well-being should be onus driving the initiative for changes in the last 80% of the population. The government alone can't take up the burden of the improving basic infrastructure like opening of the education institution, hospital, buildings, roadways, power plants, among other things. Indian firms should be involved in the mission of making India a developed country. In each MNC opens at least one education institute and take up the funding of one hospital with the world-class facilities, the change is not far away. As a civil servant, as you know, in the India, in the world, civil servants are so important. They can change, they can bring the positive changes in their lives. Youth are all aware that a responsible citizen can do a lot in bringing positive changing in the respective area. Finally, in the conclusion, I will just conclude. In the Paris Agreement, India committed to achieve the following 3 targets. Like first, the greenhouse, like Indian greenhouse gas emission intensity of GDP will be reduced by 30-35% below 2005 level by 2030. 40% of India power capacity would be based on a non-fossil fuel sources, balancing of 2.5 to 30 billion tons of carbon dioxide equivalent through additional forest and tree cover by 2030. For this, you have to do more plantation as a FAB Foundation is doing a great work in this area. Thank you. And like if any question, then I'm ready to
ask a question in the last after all the speaker finish, then after I will ask.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Engineer Alok Kumar sir, are you there? Hello, Alok sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
आवाज जा रही है?
Yes, welcome to, yes, I'm hearing. Welcome to the Alok sir. Glad to you welcome and to the Climate Leader Conference. Are you ready, sir?
Ready. Thank you.
Yes, go ahead, sir. Yes, go ahead.
Myself, Engineer Alok Kumar from Nalanda, Bihar, Vice President of TCS, Takniki Chhatra Sangathan, from last 5 years. TCS is a platform of unite technical students, engineers, and doctors. The organization solves student-related issues such as scholarship, examination fee, and hostel issues, and so on. For all members, welcome here in Patna because this program host in Patna. पटना प्लेस बुद्ध एंड महावीर और बुद्ध की धरती पर आप सबों का स्वागत है.
Hello everyone.
Our India
Going to share my solo experience.
having the so many problems last 6 years
Solo
such as education, unemployment, health, or these are necessary for every country for developing and development. Previous some year, 5 to 6 years, our government does not work in education and employment issue. Uneducated person and social born so many unhealthy social issues such as child marriage, dowry, untouchability, and so on. In India, world top most young generation, about 70% generation are youngest, but they are not used our energy to make India and grow in India because they have no any resources, money and idea. Indian youngest people don't have work on your ability. They are fully unemployed. Unemployed person doing unwanted work such as murder, rape, loot, thieves. They are harmful of our society and nation. Most of Indian youngest such as Bihar, Jharkhand, UP depends upon the government job. This job is only 1.5% before privatization of our country's organization. But this time BJP ruling Modi government working on privatization, so these jobs are also negligible. Indian society having so many diversity such as casteism, untouchability, nepotism. So private company and organization, they have no any work for untouchable community such as SC/ST, OBC community, which in India untouchability community belong to 85% population in India. They and private company and organization having no job, and if any job provided, they are peons level. Private company, they are not follow any constitutional rule. They only follow they not follow merits rule and constitutional rule. They follow only nepotism. Indian Constitution, one of the world largest written constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and they give all Indian equal right, equality, social and justice. They give one vote, one person, and largest democracy in the world. And India, world largest democracy, have they not perfect definition? Democracy have a definition, जनता के द्वारा जनता के लिए संचालित सरकार है, जो कि आज के समय में ये नहीं रहा गया है। और एक भारत सबसे बड़ा लोकतांत्रिक देश है और भारत में ही सबसे पहला लोकतंत्र की शुरुआत भी हुआ था। और लोकतंत्र एक ऐसा रूलिंग है जो कि पूरे विश्व को एक समानता का अधिकार देता है। लेकिन आज जहाँ से ये लोकतंत्र चालू हुआ था, आज जहाँ से ये लोकतंत्र ओके in corona pandemic, world largest pandemic, but in India they are more dangerous because during lockdown so many people are hunger death, and we are helping personally need person during corona pandemic, but Indian government totally fails and handle this pandemic. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar say, I am not to say about good things of our constitution. Reality, our constitution is very good, but use person is good if any constitution is good. Any constitution is good when used person is good, but a good constitution is bad when the used person is bad. और अभी के समय में बस यही हो रहा है, हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन और लोकतंत्र की यूज करने वाला लोग अच्छे नहीं है, जिसके कारण आज हमारा देश और हमारी अर्थव्यवस्था डाउनफॉल पर जा रही है, जो कि पिछले 1947 के बाद से जो हम ग्रो ऑन हुए थे, धीरे धीरे हम ग्रो हो रहे थे, ये डाइवर्सिटी होते जा रहा है। और लास्ट में मैं ये बोलूँगा कि आज हम लोग इकट्ठे हैं 6th यूनिवर्सिटी डॉक्टर B.R. अम्बेडकर के जन्मदिन पर, और वो कहा करते थे सपने वो नहीं जो रात में देखे जाते हैं, बल्कि सपने वो है जो आपको सोने नहीं देते हैं। और आज यूथ का प्लेटफॉर्म ये है, और हम यूथों को आगे बढ़कर काम करना है कि हमारा संविधान लोकतंत्र को कैसे बचाया जाए, और साथ ही साथ देश और वर्ल्ड के लिए कैसा एक हेल्दी इन्वायरमेंट दे सके। ओके, थैंक यू।
Okay, thank you, Alok sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Hello. Hello. Please mute everyone who's not speaking here. Thank you, Alok sir. It's a wonderful presentation, wonderful talk with you, and a wonderful experience you shared it. And then after, I would like to welcome Samala Fani Kumar. Hello. Are you there,
yes,
Samla?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yeah, sir. I am sharing screen, sir.
Okay. Ready, Samla?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, you can go ahead. Now, time is start now.
Yeah, sir. I'm getting problem with phone, sir. That's why I'm opening in laptop and showing here.
Okay, you can go.
Yeah. My dear sisters and brothers of Mother Earth, a warm good afternoon to everyone. It fills my heart with joy, unspeakable to rise in response to the youth in present. Firstly, I start with the message of Kalam, where feels the motivation in all the youth, where he told that to be courage and to do what the youth is the main reason and building blocks of society. We are seeing by day to day there are thousands of problems during dying every day without any proper treatment, and because of the poor, they are unable to take the treatment, that's why dying. So by seeing these like situations, we feel that I want to change, but we feel that we are alone. Yeah, here comes the what the youthism is, where the story begins, where we think no, we are not alone, all the power is within youth. It means us, you can do marvelous things. The moment you fear, you are no more. Yeah, where the childhood, in the age of childhood, we will do the childish behavior. At the old, we are not capable to do that. The youth is the main zone where we can do. So let's break comfort zone and work for the society. Yeah, in the society we are seeing many problems. The main reason for all this, the poverty. If we remove the poverty, then we can have the zero hunger percentage and happiness, good health, quality education and equal rights. Yeah, today in these days we are seeing many of the students or anything, they are saying like, I am a doctor, I am an engineer, I am a police, with excitement and proud. Okay, these are the service fields in the society. Along with this, we have agriculturist as a farmer, but people are feeling ashamed to say an agriculturist. Why? Because the work where we get the food from which they can cultivate from the land. The person who working by selling fields is becoming millionaire, but the person who works in field is becoming to hang because of debits. We are always debt to farmers. We can't clear it. We should have to support the farmers at every cost. Impact of movies on youth. We are getting motivated by many movies what we are getting, but what the problem in the youth is they are only motivated by the smoking and having the consumption of alcohol, and we know that youthism is the story begins. Youth are the flying birds, like especially eagle, where they keenly observe and analyze the problem. Yeah, we have many ideas. We should do the strategy and should management, and we compulsory need the teamwork to get success. For that, we have to know our rights, then learn about the social issues what are happening in the society. Then raise your voice for forming a network and spread the word. Next, if you really want to change the world, you have to inspire young people. That's how you change the world. We have to change the future. We have to change the present generation children. We have to feel what they have to get the motivation from the present society. And this is the wake-up call for all the youth. The time is now. Our future is in our hands. Let us arise and work towards our futures. Whatever Gandhiji says, the future of India lies in its village. That means all the villages should develop. By that the whole country will develop. It should the main building block of the society, citizen. Where the youth should come forward for all this. And the Kalam, for reciting Kalam, it's a great tribute to us. And today the Kargil Divas, a happy Kargil Divas, and being with the great soldiers. And my tribute to all the Kargil Divas and tribute to our Abdul Kalam. Let me close by saying, thank you very much for network. Let's bring the awareness in society about these things. Jai Jagat, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Thank you.
Thank you, Samla. Okay. That's great. Okay, thank you so much, Samla. Now I would like to welcome Dr. Nain Prakash sir. Are you there? Hello? Hello? Dr. Nain sir? Hello? Hello?
I think he's not with us.
Okay. Then after we move it, what was that?
No, he is with us. He is with us, but his microphone is off. Video is also off.
Okay.
Yeah, here he is.
Yeah,
Dr.
Dr. Nayan Prakash Gandhi. Just I am going to add, sir. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, please continue.
Okay, sir.
Jan, do we have any other speakers
Yeah,
for this
Kiran.
session?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Kiran.
please
Upward.
move on. Please move on. Let him try.
Okay, Kiran sir. Hello, Kiran.
Hello.
Kiran.
Yes.
Yeah, he has started. Kiran has started sharing screen.
Yeah.
I am not able to.
After Kiran, Dr. Sahab, you take it. Kiran, you can start now.
Hello, this
Can't
is
I ready?
Please
Kiran
make
from
it a full
Telangana.
screen. Kiran, make it full screen.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, we are listening to you.
Yes. In this webinar, I want to let you know how the entrepreneurship is important for the people, especially the youth. This unannounced coronavirus lockdown has threatened the livelihoods of half of the world's workforce and extensive of some businesses. Due to the sudden increase in this unemployment, people have not got an opportunity to depend on anyone. Fortunately, the general public is now more informed about social issues, and companies responses than ever before with the internet spreading information far and wide. So I shall cover why entrepreneurship is needed for our economy. Next. Next. So today we are facing three major hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you can go ahead. We are listening here.
Today we are facing three major problems. That's all: unemployment and poverty and what we call global warming. So coming to I take topic on unemployment, which is the our youth role on nation building. So unemployment is the very serious issue, not only in India but in the whole world. There are hundreds and thousands of people out there who do not have employment. Moreover, if we neglect this problem, then it will get going to become the reason for the doom of the nation. In this country like India, in a country like India, there is a much reason for a large section of population for being unemployed. Some of these factors are population growth, slow economic growth, seasonal occupation, slow growth of the economic sector, and fall in the cottage industry. Next slide, please.
By default, you can go, Kiran.
Yeah.
You can click yourself. Okay.
So here the importance of country is known its people, their intelligence and work. Nation building means engaging all people in the progress of country. The future and the current condition of nation lies on the hands of youth. So as we know, youth represent the most dynamic and energetic section of the population. Youth is the age where there is a will for creativity and to do something new. So here we have the problem is called unemployment. Here our solution is entrepreneurship, because entrepreneurship is the key that allows you to make new choices for yourself and your family. It allows you to live like your own box and live the way you choose. As an entrepreneur, you can control how to be operate and command your business. You are the leader of the world you created. So here I inspired by the famous quotation like in Hindi, like सोचा नहीं था आसमान का राजा भूखे मर जाएगा, जैसे आए थे वैसे नहीं जाना चाहेगा, सपना देता है खुदा खुदा लोगों को, खुद मर जाना लेकिन सपनों का ना मारना. So we have here everyone have that vision in their life. So if you want to be legend, you need to find what is your mission in life. If you want to take your life to the next level, you need to find out what's your mission in life. So there are two important days in our life: the day we are born and the day when you find out where you were born. So what is your mission in life? Majority of the people end up in their life graveyard without knowing that what was their mission in life, why were they born. So sadly their mission and dreams get buried with them. So many people are nowadays many people are thinking that going to depression and how they want to know how to be motivated all the time. So let me share with you, if you want to be motivated all the time, you need to be control your focus. Why are people demotivated most of the time means because they are focusing on the wrong thing. They are focusing on the problems, they are focusing on the excuses, they are focusing on the what's not working, and they are focusing on the most negativity. So
your 5 minutes left. Kiran, you have 3 minutes left only.
Yes, I focus on my goal, and if we focus on our goals, if we focus on our strategies, if we focus on our solutions, we can become better than every day. So if you can control your focus, you can change anything. You can change yourself, you can change your society, you can change your nation also. The popularity of social entrepreneurship has grown even further in the light of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, which social innovation and entrepreneurship can extremely impactful in this turbulent, uncertain times by supporting impoverished section of society as well as providing service such as healthcare, sanitation, providing service such as sanitization and education. Today, with the effect of this pandemic being felt far and wide, even larger companies are coming out in support social entrepreneurship. So, should you too become entrepreneur? So, thank you so much for wonderful opportunity. I'm glad to hear. Thank you. Sorry for the technical issues. I'm unable to share my PPT slide.
Yes, thank you so much, Kiran. It's a wonderful session. You share the experience with the power in the youth, and well done. You define it, and I love it also. So that we have to, because time is very precious for us. Now we are time moving to Dr. Nain sir. Thank you, Dr. Nain sir. Hello, Dr. Saab, can you unmute? You are unmute. Hello, Dr. Saab. Dr. Nain, are you there? Hello, Kanta. Hello.
He is with us. He is about to talk. I don't know what is the delay. Mr. Gandhi.
Are you there, Mr. Gandhi?
Please reply. We can wait for 2 minutes. Otherwise, we have to shift the session. Mr. Gandhi. Yeah.
Mr. Gandhi, sir, are you there?
Yeah. Ma'am,
He is now going to present.
Mr. Gandhi, sir. Gandhi, sir, are you there?
yeah, presentation is open.
Can you
Yes,
start,
sir.
sir? We are going.
Yes,
video,
sir, my presentation has been open.
Open. Then you start, sir. Can you start?
Yeah, my presentation open, but actually I'm unable to share how it is actually. Yeah.
Yeah, you can speak there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can start, sir. Okay, sir. Go ahead, sir. Time is start now.
Okay. Without presentation. Okay.
Okay, we can start, sir. No problem.
My presentation is showing to everyone.
Kanta?
Yeah.
Hello, Kanta.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm here.
Good morning, everyone.
If he
My
has got some
topic is Kalam Youth Leadership Tracks for Youth Development.
Yes, Gandhi, sir, you
Hello.
can say. We are listening.
It's coming. Okay.
Kanta,
One
please ask him
leadership
to go
traits are
ahead
very
even without
important
the
for the
PPT.
national development.
Archana ma'am, it's already started. Let him.
I think he has some problem with his PPT, so let him go ahead with just a regular presentation.
Yes, ma'am, Archana. Let's
Yes.
do that only.
Yeah, okay. Gandhi sir, yes.
Can I continue?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So first of my dear friend, all of youth community, that first of we should learn before go to leadership track. What is the leadership? Leadership is art of motivating a group of people to act towards achieving a common goal. That in the team leadership, what we do, that we achieve a particular single goal, like Kalam Youth Leadership Conference. It is just achieved by the team building, and that is the leaded by that particular founder, right? And whole team is doing work for that particular goal. So that is called leadership. Now, if we go to the management science as per perspective in the technical form, there are few types of leadership: autocratic leadership, democratic leadership, transactional leadership, and transformational leadership. And my dear friend, what is the importance? That is the important for our all of youth community: transformational leadership. That we have to adopt this leadership to transform each other without ego, without any wrong negative attitude. We have to transform to ourselves, and we have to inspire to others by transformational work in the community, right? That is important for sustainable development as per United Nations goal, right? So if we go to leadership effect, how it affect to particular innovation, because whole country at presently every country is just facing challenges for innovation. How country can do innovation in that particular field by that removing that particular problem? Like presently every country is facing problem. How they can do innovate in the sense of the any particular medicine or vaccine they can invent for the pandemic like corona, right? So how it can be possible? It can be possible by the effective leadership, because without leadership nobody can do innovation, right? So innovative leaders have a vision of the future, looking not just for immediate success but also a long-term goal. Because for immediate effect we don't need vaccine. Every country need vaccine for that particular pandemic, that COVID-19 virus. Because of long-term goal for sustainability for their country's growth, their economic growth, their health, developing their health infrastructure, developing their technical digital infrastructure. So everyone is going to concern about that if vaccine can be innovated, automatically it can be find out, automatically whole community will be saved, and country's concentration only for will be long term that particular leadership goal to transform that country in the field, in the way of economically, in the way of technologically, in the way of development field, right? So few important point I would like to show, that always if you want to develop your leadership traits, as per Kalam says, always remember, never doubt your ability to succeed. Dear youth, please be care, be innovate, that I challenge, I will change to myself. When assigning tasks, I consider people's skill and interest. Know your capability, SWOT, strength, weakness, opportunity and threat. Know to yourself by SWOT analysis. Youth action should show what you want from the people. Set your goals in a smart way. Smart means S, specific. Your goal should be very specific. M means measurable. Your goal should be measurable. It should be measured by that particular timeline. That your goal should be achievable, and your goal R that is called as a realistic. It should be very based on the complete measurement as per realistic position. And T, your goal should be time bounded. And always remember that we have to promote the teamwork. Now, next, plan well for the future. Welcome always criticism. If you want to develop your leadership quality, you have to welcome the criticism, right? And team perform best when individuals keep doing the same task and perfecting them instead of learning new skills and challenging themselves. And always remember that you have to lead by example in the best way possible you can do. So doing the right thing at the right time in the right position. In leadership, at the last point, I would like to say that trust is the force that connect leaders from the people. Appreciate and motivate. You need to be responsible, and just because you are driving the bus doesn't mean that you have the right to run over the people. So always never show your autocratic leadership. Always show your transformational leadership. Because at present moment, as per accomplishing that particular SDG to every community, maybe that particular person in the field of social, maybe particular person in a corporate, everyone have to, maybe in a personal life, they should be in the transformational leadership. Then they can maintain good leadership, right? So a few at the last point, I would like to showcase to everyone that with leader quality can develop your overall persona, because persona is important, personality is never important. Everyone is just running out for the personality. No, persona is important. Persona remain sustain till your life and after your life also. Because if you are dead, still your persona will maintain. If you are maintain this leader's quality, high self-image, desire, positive attitude, visionary commitment, responsibility, accountability, hardworking, enthusiasm, dependability, and so much. So key values I would like to show as a type of values: personal, families, and professional, social, spiritual. You have to maintain your persona. Then for personal and professional values, if we go to, then these personal ethics you have to maintain, and then these professional ethics you have to maintain if you want to grow in your development field, social field, or in any sphere of the life. Now we go to next in how do you recognize the limits? Just 1 minute, sir, just 1 minute. This is very much important. In a 1 minute I will finish. Identify your trigger situation. If you want to recognize some problem, how it is affecting your problems is affecting to your leadership, then you have to identify your trigger situation. You have to prepare in advance, listen to your inner voice always, because whenever you will go to for particular initiative, there will be come to voice in your body, and you have to accept your inner voice and re-evaluate your decision. Friend, I would like to give you some slogan like all about challenging. Take it. Life is all about.
नहीं ऊपर स्टोर ऑफिसर था ऐसा नहीं है.
Thank you, sir. Gandhi sir. Thank you, sir. Gandhi sir.
Please mute yourself. Whoever is talking, please mute yourself. Please mute your mic and then talk whatever you are talking.
People, sir, time is already finished. Now, Gandhi sir.
Yes, continue with question answers, please.
Okay. I would like to say that anyone participation, if you want to ask the questions, our speaker. Then after you have a question, we have no. Then after I will ask.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Rahul.
Hello. Yes, sir. So, sir, just a small request. Archana ma'am, I just wanted to make a small request. Actually, I missed on my presentation when I was sending because it remained on my outbox. Can I present, though my name is not on to the list, but I wanted to present because I really worked hard on that presentation.
Raza? 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 Kanta?
Kanta, are you aware
Yeah,
about
I am
that?
here.
Whatever the Rahul
What the Rahul said that? You can take it.
Sound is not clear. Can you please repeat?
Ma'am,
Actually, ma'am, I sent the file to you presentation way back, but actually due to my connection issue, it remains suspended into my folder because there was heavy rains and there was floods into our region. So I sent it back yesterday night, and I just wanted to present it today because I really worked on that. Though my name is not onto the list, but I just want 7 minutes, strict 7 minutes. I will be completing my presentation out there.
Okay, but
Give the permission.
I don't know whether
Intiza, where is the president?
I can help or not. Ma'am, Archana ma'am.
Yes, I'm here online. I just want to ask you, do we have the time? Can we remain for this technical session? This team agrees with it?
Just for 7 minutes, ma'am. It's
No problem.
not.
Archana ma'am, I have no problem. We just give the opportunity because it.
Yes, I think
Okay.
so.
Yeah, of course.
Ask him
Yeah.
to go ahead.
Okay, Rahul sir, you can go ahead.
Yes.
You have time 7 minutes, sir. You can go ahead.
Yes, sir, just.
Rahul?
Yes, sir. I'm opening my presentation.
I have one proposal. Intiza or Archana ma'am. Intiza is here.
Yes.
Intiza. Rahul, sir, 1 second. Intiza, may can we add him tomorrow in any session?
Are we running short on time now?
Tomorrow we'll be having one session. Otherwise, we can give him for the next session if it's all right.
How many people will we have in the next session?
Next session.
I think add him to the next session because we have to close this session. Time has already closed. Just add him to the next session. I will declare his name. Okay.
Okay, right. So, yeah, Rahul, you'll be getting the opportunity after all the delegates have spoken during the next session. Is it all right?
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. It's fine with me.
Rahul, I am sending you a private message. Check this. Okay. Chand,
Okay.
please continue.
Okay, thank you. Anyone participants would like to ask a question for our speaker?
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Yes, whom do you ask you, sir? Aurindeep, sir?
Can I ask question from previous speaker like Pramisha Misra, who has spoken about menstrual health?
Bipul sir, can you give? Bipul sir?
I don't
Is
know
Pramisha
is available
online?
or not.
Is Pramisha online?
Kanta, Pramisha is online. If she is online, then he can ask questions.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, but remember that please ask specific question and whoever is going to answer, please answer specifically. Okay.
You have 2 minutes. Can I give the 2 minutes to the participation?
Yeah,
Kanta?
for the question and answer both. Yeah.
2 minutes, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Azam, go ahead. Please ask the permission.
Pramisha, you online?
Yeah, I am there.
Okay. Pramisha, you said that insulting of period. You are just pointing out the color red and blue and whatever this. Don't you think that it will if it will be red, it will I will come out with this question. One question is this: is this okay to put it in the frame? Like this is the blood. This is the blood with the impurities. I can, if I can say. So is this okay? Is this okay to put it in the frame? You showed that. First question, and the second question is this menstrual woman only or menstrual person? These two questions I have to ask. What is it?
Yes, thank you for the question. The first wrong concept we have is that blood is not impure. That is the best fertilizer we can have. Yeah, some of the agriculturists have already proved that this is the best fertilizer. Like as worldwide, there are some of the trends going. You can put it on your rooftop agriculture places or in your salad plants, and they get more nutrition than other pesticide or insecticide or any other kind of fertilizer. That's the best fertilizer, and it's already proved that that's blood is not impure when it gets mixed with we bleed through vagina, and that's very internal organ, and in both sides of that there are more sweats than any other place in our body. So when it gets to our sweat, then it gets like a more fermentation, and then it becomes impure, or impure we can say. But when the blood comes off vagina and when it is already stored in menstrual cup, then it's not impure. It can be used for any purpose, and so when it comes into frame, it doesn't harm to health anyway. And yeah, you reminded me a very good thing. It's a menstrual person, because other than females, some of the persons in third gender are also bleeding, and we need to talk about that also. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Promisha. Thank you so much, Azam. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. I have a few questions about the speakers.
Sir, I wish to talk. I wish to ask question.
Yeah. Okay. Shudha ma'am.
Yes. Hello everyone. Hello. This is to Promisha. Since I'm also working on a concept called initiative called Prayas, which is being initiated by the
Excuse me, I am just interrupting. I'm so sorry for interrupting. When you are asking any question, please introduce yourself. Okay, first.
Yes, that's what I'm about to do it, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm Sudhamai CH from Andhra Pradesh. I'm a leadership image coach, and I'm also into different NGO activities, especially with Junior Chamber International, wherein I represent an initiative called Prayas, which works on the menstrual hygiene of adolescent girls. I'm involved with sensitizing girls on menstrual hygiene, how to use the traditional versus the latest prevention awareness on health and hygiene during menstruation, and the taboos associated with it. My question to Promisha, since we are both working on the same line of awareness. Promisha, are you online?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, thank you, Promisha. So my question is, how much are your initiatives or the campaign you're doing, your government is associated with it? How much support are you getting from your government? You are from Nepal, I guess, right?
Yeah. I'm from Nepal.
Okay.
Recently, when several NGOs and foundations like us and campaigns approached the government of Nepal last year, announced that in all of the schools, especially community schools, from government, sanitary pads will be provided, but not exactly. We are not associated with government. We are going through some part of local governments. We are providing in our country, and we are involved with local governments only at some of the areas. So there are lots of foundations working in this field. So we are not particularly getting help or associated with government.
So you mean to say the support is very nominal?
Hello, who is playing?
Vipul, please ask the participant to mute themselves, except the speakers.
I already asked, and I'm requesting everyone again and again. I'm begging you all, please turn off your mic. If you are not speaking, there is no purpose of opening your mic. Please turn off your mic.
This is a kind of disrespect shown to the speaker. It's not done.
If you are not a good listener, you can't be a good speaker. Anyway, you cannot be a leader. If you are not a good listener, you cannot be a good leader. So show some leadership traits you are having inside you.
Right. You are all here to support one another.
Okay, Sudha.
Promisha, thank you for that. I wish to support your initiative and on a global front, because we are working on a greater level. We are associated with WHO and many initiatives which are focusing on menstrual hygiene. We'll have a personal talk on that if you are willing to, Promisha. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, moderators. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you so much, Sudha.
Okay, thank you so much, Sudha ji and Promisha ji.
Alok, can I have one question from Alok also?
You have to get the chance, Azam bro. You have to
Okay.
We are running short of time, so please take
for
care
time.
about that.
You can surely we can ask it personally, you know.
You can ask personally to the participant. Please connect personally, no worries.
Okay.
No problem. Okay.
I have a few basic.
हमने फॉर्म भरा था तो सर उसका मतलब हमें बोलने का चांस नहीं मिला।
पीपल सर
आप कौन बोल रहे हैं? क्या नाम है इनका?
राजा यादव।
राजा यादव जी, आपका ये पीपीटी सेलेक्ट हुआ था क्या प्रेजेंट करने के लिए? राजा जी
जी
तो
मैं ईमेल भी आया था।
मेल आया था, मतलब आपने प्रेजेंटेशन यदि दिया है और वो सेलेक्ट हुआ है, जैसे जिन लोगों को मिला है मौका, ये प्रेजेंटेशन जिनका सेलेक्ट हुआ है वो बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है। आपका अगर सेलेक्ट हुआ होगा तो आपके पास मेल जाएगा कि आपको इतने बजे से इतने बजे तक बोलना है। आपका मेल आपके मेल पे चेक कीजिएगा, उसमें टाइमिंग गया होगा, तो उस टाइमिंग पे आपको मौका मिलेगा बोलने का, यदि आपका प्रेजेंटेशन सेलेक्ट हुआ है तो। और यदि आप सिर्फ डेलीगेट्स में सेलेक्ट हुए हैं तो आप क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं और ओपन सेशन में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं। जैसे सुबह में ओपन सेशन हुआ था, वहाँ मैंने पूछा था किसी को बोलना है, तो बहुत सारे लोगों ने बोला। तो यदि आप ओपन सेशन में आओगे तो मोस्ट वेलकम है। और यदि आपका सेशन पहले से डिटरमाइंड है, अगर हमारे जजेस ने आपको मौका दिया है, अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया है सेलेक्टर्स ने, देन यू विल बी गेटिंग मेल। आपको मेल पे दिया जाएगा, वो टाइम स्लॉट दिया जाएगा, हो सकता है कल वाले में हो आपका, तो ये इसको अच्छे से चेक कर लीजिए राजा जी। ओके ओके, थैंक यू। प्रोसीडिंग टू द नेक्स्ट, आप कंक्लूड कीजिए सर। चिराकी सर।
जी पीपल सर,
आप कंटिन्यू कीजिए, कंक्लूड कीजिए सेशन।
ओके ठीक है। अब मैं आई वुड लाइक टू बी लास्ट, यू नो, we are getting time very much, you know. I would like to ask only a few basic questions to every participation. 5 participants. Kiran, are you there? Kiran? Okay, no. Kunal sir, are you there? Hello? Kunal sir?
Yeah, I'm
Kunal
here.
sir. I would like to ask a question on the beyond the participation also and my personal also, you know. What do you think the role of youth study is STG important? Can you tell me, sir?
Pardon, you asking about the strategic importance of youth, if I'm not wrong.
Why is you? What do you think role of the youth SDG is important?
No, actually, actually the youth are not the full of the energy. They are only the walking horse of the society. If youth can try to do something for the society, then if you compare to the old person or the children's, that is not possible. That is not they can't do all this work with the full energy and the josh. Okay, so you have to be focused on the youth because they are the only the walking horses of the society. They can take to the process of the fulfilling the SDG of 2030.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. Alok sir, are you there? Alok sir? Okay, our next one, Samla. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Samla?
Yes, sir. I am here.
Can you tell me what is the most difficult part of being a leader?
Yes, sir. Pardon me, I'm unable to hear you.
Alok sir, I will come. First I will ask the Samla. What is the most difficult part of being a leader? Samla?
Yes, sir. The main point of leader is leader should not be the main person, sir. He should be along with the team members. He have to encourage all the team members along with forming the bond, good situations, along with participating all the members of the group. Then he should move along with all the person. Then it will be the actual quality of a great leader, where we have seen many such great leaders what have done for the society and for the country. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I would like to Alok sir, and you have a few time minutes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What is your greatest strength you have in a leadership? You do should watch and hear. Greatest strength.
Sir.
What is your greatest strength, Alok sir, in a leadership?
Sir, खासकर हम इस बिहार और इंडिया की बात करें तो यूथ बहुत बड़ा पावर है। खासकर इंडिया की बात करें तो इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन 70% यूथ है, और लीडरशिप में अगर यूथ को कंट्रीब्यूट किया जाए, उसे मौका दिया जाए, उन्हें बढ़ा चढ़ा के दिखाया जाए, तो सच में हमारा भारत और हमारा बिहार बहुत बड़ा विकसित देश के रूप में खड़ा होगा। क्योंकि अब्दुल कलाम का ही कहना था कि हमारे देश में जो यूथ पावर है उसका मिस यूज हो रहा है। कहने का मतलब उन्हें मौका नहीं दिया जा रहा है, किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म को सही तरीके से मौका नहीं दिया जा रहा है, या तो एम्प्लॉय का बेसिस हो या तो और बात करें कि लीडरशिप का बेसिस हो। आप देखते होंगे कि लीडरशिप में खासकर यंग जनरेशन तो दिखते ही नहीं है, काबिलियत वाले लोग दिखते ही नहीं है। वहाँ 50+ लोग का वहाँ बहुलता होते हैं, पैसे वालों की बहुलता होती है। जो ग्राउंड पर हमारे जैसे लोग कर रहे हैं, ग्राउंड पर काम करना चाह रहे हैं और संघर्ष कर रहे हैं, उन्हें मौका नहीं दिया जाता, जिसके कारण होता क्या है कि लोग एक दूसरे से अनटचेबिलिटी हो गया है। लोग सही चीजें ग्राउंड पर उठ नहीं पाता है। जो चीजें हैं, जो बेसिक नीड्स है, जो बेसिक मुद्दा है, खासकर हम अभी वहां से लाइव हैं, नालंदा डिस्ट्रिक्ट से लाइव है, बिहार के नालंदा डिस्ट्रिक्ट। यहाँ पे नेटवर्क इशू सहित बहुत सा इशूज है और हम ग्रामीण इलाके से भी लाइव हैं। तो ये सब मुद्दा वही लोग उठा सकते हैं जो ग्राउंड से जुड़े हुए लोग हैं। अब सीधा कारपोरेट के लोग को अगर हम पॉलिटिक्स में बैठा देंगे, कारपोरेट के लोगों को हम सीधे तौर पर पूरे आप शासन को दे देंगे, तो वो उन्हीं के लिए काम करेंगे, उन्हीं लोगों के लिए ही काम करेंगे जो कारपोरेट घराने के हैं या वो अपर लोग हैं, है ना। लेकिन भारत जैसे देश और बिहार जैसे देश में 85% ऐसे भी लोग हैं जो प्योरिटी लाइन से नीचे हैं, उन्हें खाने के लिए संघर्ष करना पड़ रहा है। खासकर अभी कोरोना का वो चल रहा है, इसमें आपने देखा होगा, एक मिनट, आपने ये भी देखा होगा कि बहुत सारे लोग पैदल चल के मर गए, भूखे मर गए। तो उसके लिए सरकार न काम करती है, न तो हमारे एमएलए काम करते हैं, न वो काम करते हैं। एक बहुत बड़ी बात फैक्टर है कि युवाओं को मौका दिया जाए और युवाओं बढ़ चढ़ के आगे भी युवाओं को आना चाहिए, खासकर पॉलिटिक्स, भारतीय पॉलिटिक्स। ओके, थैंक यू।
Well, thank you. It's the best opportunity the climate leadership give you the opportunity to the youth, and you have to explore yourself, and we can point you to say your words. Okay, thank you so much. At last, Dr. Nain sir, are you there? Nain sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Dr. Nain sir, are you there, Gandhi ji?
Hello.
Doctor sir, are you there?
Yes,
hello?
sir.
Yes.
Sir. Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
Okay, sir. I would like to ask you one question, sir. You are very
Yes,
interesting. Yeah. Sir, how do you measure the success for you as a leader, sir? How do you measure success for you as a leader, sir?
Okay. Success actually, as per having a very broad term, because success have different mean for every particular personality. As per my concern, as you asked, that success is mean to just develop our social phenomena which is created by our internal intrinsic motivation, which we can do for that particular community. Maybe it is as per very small horizon, maybe in a big level. Okay, but whenever we think that we can do this for something for community and we satisfy our internal heart, that is my success, that I mean to. And I think that is same Dr. APJ Kalam was saying since so many years, that every youth should know themselves, their interest, and how they can create their interest within their particular hobby, and their small habit can lead the nation. If they can develop their interest into community need, and then community need, then they can do innovation for particular area, particular community level or particular cluster where they are living. It may be more impactful. Small to particular youth and as well as to society. That is, okay, I mean to success in my life.
Okay, thank you so much for your very motivation. Okay, sir.
And it can like.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you so much for
Okay, sir.
KYLC whole team to doing that, and whole part so much for who are listening me, and KYLC is really doing a full job. No word for their social engagement they are doing for youth communities, and every youth is coming to one platform and they are sharing their views and they are sharing their success stories. So many things we have learned from.
Short of time. Please
Okay, sir.
conclude the session as soon as
Okay,
possible.
Mr. Gandhi, sir, we have to now time to have to be finished. So that, hello, Kiran, are you there? Kiran Datta, thank you, Dr. Sir. Kiran, are you there? One is left. Kiran. Kiran.
Please take it as soon as possible because we are running late. Shortage of time.
Okay, I understand, people. Kiran Dato, are you there?
Yes, I am there.
Okay, just I give you a few seconds, few minutes. Okay, please, time is out of our. I ask you one question. What is a leader? In your sense, what is a leader? This asset.
What is it? Can you repeat question once?
What is a leader? Best asset.
Best asset.
Yeah.
Kiran,
Give
1
me a
minute.
1
Kiran,
minute.
not more than 1 minute. Please take more than
1 minute. Yeah, people, sir. Yeah. Please.
Okay. Hello.
Yes,
thanks
Kiran,
for-
please answer.
Yeah, there are two demonstrations.
No problem. We are listening. No problem, sir.
Running short of time.
Okay, thank you.